Hello everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to share some simple tips on how to improve your Google Maps ranking. Stick around till the end to learn how to make your business more visible and stand out on Google Maps. Let us start the journey to boost your online presence. To know the Google Maps ranking of different stores, the first thing you need to do is search for some shops or stores. So open up the Google browser and search for some random shops here. Let us search for Slade Barbershop. Next, to know about the ranking and reviews of the shop, you need to look on your right-hand side. On your right-hand side, you will find the details regarding your search shop or store. From here, you will be able to see the location of the shop on Google Maps and the rating of the shop, and you can get the address and the phone number from here. If the shop owner has any websites, you can see that from here as well. Also, the reviews of different people who visited the shop will be available here. Claiming your GMB listing is essential for ranking in Google Maps. The primary reason for getting your business listed on Google My Business is to create awareness about your business. There are so many tactics that you can employ so that Google places the business on top of the local listing. And this involves verifying and editing business information for better control. For better rankings, the most important thing you should have is domain authority. Appearing among the top 3 positions of the Maps pack will not give your business a large online exposure, but also improve signups, site visits, phone calls, and other desirable conversions significantly. This is discussed as an unofficial ranking score that predicts how well a website can rank. Since Google Map results are interactive, consumers can take direct actions from the listing itself in a few clicks. They can make direct phone calls or book reservations instantly. Therefore, ranking on Google's local listing will ensure better conversions. Factors like backlinks, the age of the site, quality content, and social signals contribute to domain authority. After that, open up the new tab and search for something else, like Nannies of the Rockies LLC, which is a childcare agency. As you can see, they haven't attached any address of their agency. However, the importance of quality backlinks is highlighted, focusing on relevance rather than quantity. Over 85% of consumers who search for any local business on Google Maps visit that business within 24 to 48 hours. As per Google's report, around 28% of these Google Maps local searches usually result in a purchase. Links from reputable and relevant websites are considered more valuable and easy to navigate. The ratings of Google Maps work as per the citations, where mentioning business name, address, and phone number are important for validating business location. Consistent and accurate citations across directories and the website are recommended. If the website gets so many citations, it will automatically rank as the top website on Google and Google Maps. Google uses citation analysis when determining your business ranking for local search results. The relevance and authority of the citation source, the volume of citations for your business, NAP consistency in your citations. Also, the other most important thing is the reviews. Positive reviews are acknowledged as a key factor in building trust. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, is pointed up to represent professionalism. Google's preference for well-known and reputable brands is discussed. Establishing positions through positive feedback, blog write-ups, and brand mentions on social media is encouraged. Embedding Google Maps on the business website is suggested as any other way to signal location to Google and improve ranking. The key aspects of website optimization for local search are detailed, including proper title tags, page descriptions, and consistent name, address, and phone number information. Google is strictly against businesses providing duplicate information or having multiple listings for a single location business. Make sure to update the precise data in Google Maps to get considered for the ranking. Also, try to create your website by using Wix and then publish it on Google Maps. If you already have your website, you can add contact and forms. One of the ways to get a better rank on Google Maps is to insert your Google Maps location on the website. You may have seen such maps on other websites before. Inserting Google Maps on the website confirms that you are in the location mentioned on Google My Business. Add the name of your business to the location and it outreaches the audience. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.